A recent poll shows that 70% of Americans think that Trump is going through his promises. He is delivering all the promises that he have made. Now, what are those promises and is he really delivering those promises? Now, there are the few promises. The first one is he says that he is going to make border more secure and he will do an immigration reforms. He says that he is going to tax cut. He says that he will bring back jobs. He said he will reduce the government regulations so that businesses can grow up. And now the foreign policies are completely up and down in the Trump's tenure. For the border security and immigration, we have seen that Trump has already started the mass deportation, and on the border he has put an extra security, and he has declared the national emergency on the southern border as well. Now for the tax cut, he has put tariffs. He says that he is going to replace the tax with the tariffs. So he has already put the tariff on China and he has posed the tariff on Mexico and Canada, but it may be resumed after a month. And for the bringing back jobs in America, he has the same formula. I will put the tariff, those companies will transfer its production back to America so the Americans will get job. He is basically delivering on those promises and government regulations to grow in the business. Trump is himself is a businessman, so he understands business better than anyone else. Now foreign policies are completely up and down now. China was not the friend, Russia was not the friend of the United States. Russia is becoming closer and closer to the United States, while European countries and Mexico and Canada, which were the big allies of the United States, are now falling apart from each other. Now, Putin and Trump had a very good relation personally. This means that under Trump and Putin, Russia and the United States can come closer to each other. Trump does not like Europe. Europe is the big ally or the main ally of the United States. So this means that they will separate a little bit. Like Trump is talking about pulling off United States from the NATO. So if Trump's keep talking about this kind of thing, then Europe and America are not growing together. Those allies may become against each other. Canada and Mexico are already pretty much against the United States, but they cannot say it openly because they depend on the United States as well. So, did you think that Trump is delivering those promises? Tell me your thoughts in the comments.